Now example on standard formula and rules. Example on standard formula and rules. If y is equal to tan x into e raised to 2x, okay, now find dy by dx. Solution: y is equal to tan x e raised to 2x. Differentiate y with respect to x. D by dx means differentiate with respect to x. What differentiate? Y. Now here d by dx tan x e raised to 2x. Now think about formula and rules. Here no single term, no standard formula, go for rule. No addition rule, no division rule. Here product of two function है 7 and 2. Now by product rule u into v बोलो या फर्स्ट सेकंड बोलो. फर्स्ट मतलब u, सेकंड मतलब v. Here first into derivative of second, second into derivative of first. Here first is tan x, first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. Now by product rule dy by dx is equal to tan x e raised to 2x derivative e raised to 2x यानी कि डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e raised to fx मतलब सेम राइट डाउन इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ fx. तो यार इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 2x प्लस e raised to 2x tan x का डेरिवेटिव sec square x by formula. Final answer tan x e raised to 2x. Now derivative of kx is k by से फॉर्मूला यानी कि डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 2x इज 2, kx का डेरिवेटिव k प्लस e raised to 2x sec square x. Now this is free from derivative operator, hence this is last answer. Derivative of y is equal to tan x e raised to 2x. So by this way you take the product derivative. Now next example y is equal to, second example, if y is equal to x square plus 1 divided by 1 plus sin x, find dy by dx. Y is equal to x square plus 1 plus sin x, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative with respect to x means d by dx. Here x square plus 1 plus sin x derivative of y. By division rule, derivative of u by v minus v by v square, near to minus u and derivative of second. त्रिदेव फॉर्मूला 3v का फॉर्मूला v माइनस v बाय v स्क्वायर नियर टू माइनस u and derivative of second. Here u is numerator, v is denominator. Now dy by dx, here v minus v by v square, here v is 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x, near to minus right u is x square plus 1, u is x square plus 1. Take derivative of second. This is free from operator, derivative operator, as it is answer. Addition rule, x square का डेरिवेटिव 2x, यानी कि डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x raised to n and x raised to n minus 1, but here n is 2 and 2 x raised to 2 minus 1 is 1, hence 2x. 1 derivative of constant 0, constant may be 1 and derivative of 1 is 0. Now minus, this is free from operator, x square plus 1 as it is right. 1 addition rule, take derivative of 1 separate, plus है तो plus, minus है तो minus, derivative of sin x. Addition rule, here no derivative operator, as it is right answer. Now no operator, 1 plus sin x into 2x minus x square plus 1 derivative 0, sin derivative cos x divided by 1 plus sin x bracket square. This is 2x, 1 plus sin x minus cos x, x square plus 1 divided by 1 plus sin x whole square is free from operator. Final answer. Okay, free from operator, final answer. Next, example. If y is equal to log x into tan inverse x, find dy by dx. Y is equal to log x into tan inverse x, x raised to 9 plus e raised to 2x. Y is equal to x raised to 9 e raised to 2x. Differentiate with respect to x. differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx, derivative of first term separate, derivative of first term, derivative of second term, and derivative of third term. Here use product rule. So this you got by addition rule. Here addition rule. Now here by product rule, first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first, second into derivative of first. By product rule, x raised to n formula, 9x raised to 9 minus 1 and e raised to 2x, again derivative of 2x. By formula derivative of x raised to n x raised to n minus 1, मतलब x raised to n is 9 minus 1 by this formula, e raised to fx, e raised to f of x derivative, e raised to fx, again derivative of fx, but what is fx here? 2x. और ये product rule. Now dy by dx is equal to log x free from derivative operator, as it is tan inverse derivative of tan inverse 1 by तो 1x square, but ये थर्ड फॉर्मूला है मिडल प्लस, तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ tan इनवर्स 1 by 1 plus x square. दिस इज फ्री फ्रॉम ऑपरेटर फाइनल. log x की डेरिवेटिव 1 by x by फॉर्मूला प्लस 9x raised to 8 free from operator last answer plus e raised to 2x का डेरिवेटिव यानी कि डेरिवेटिव ऑफ kx इज k, 2x का डेरिवेटिव 2, हेंस दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. ये फॉर्मूला हमने यहाँ यूज किया, देखो ये फॉर्मूला इधर यूज किया, log x का ये इधर किया और ये kx इधर. हेंस द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ गिवन फंक्शन, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ गिवन फंक्शन बाय एडिशन रूल, प्रोडक्ट रूल, डिवीजन रूल एंड so on.